Hello my friends, so now we have grammar mistake free article, so we need to take care about SEO. So when you scroll down your article view, I mean your editor view, you will see place of Yoast SEO. In there has three tabs. One is SEO, next one is readability, next one is social. Yeah, so in SEO you will add your focus keyword before you write the article. So I already did it. If you didn't watch how I write this article, I will put link in description so you can find it. Okay, let's discuss how to fix this SEO and readability part. So this SEO there has icon with page, so it should be green like readability. So to make it green, you have to fix those red dots. Those red dots should be green dot. So to do that, we have our article currently don't have outbound links. It means we have to add link to go other places. I mean go to Bluehost or go other website from our website. So when we do it, this red dot will go away. So let's do it. In your case, maybe it will be another error like SEO title with no image ALT attribute, and maybe meta description length is not good enough and text length is not good enough, like that. So currently we have those errors because we automatically fixed those other issues. So it will be depend on your article. Okay, I add two links, so let's see what happened. So our outbound link is go to green color. That is great. So now we need to add internal links, but currently I don't have any other posts, so I don't have to add internal links, so I just ignore it. After that, we have keyword density. So our keyword density is found only one time. According to my article, it should be at least 6 times on my article, but it's only one, so we have to add my keyword more than one. So this is my keyword and it's appear on one time. So I know the reason for it, so I copy it and paste it. There has dot, so when I remove the dot, I think this issue will be fixed. Now I have that my keyword in 3 times of this article. Let's see it fixed or not. No, now we found it 3 times, but at least we need 6 times. It means we have to add more of my keyword to this article. So let's do it. Okay, now our keyword density is good. It's as I add 6 times of my keyword. So next we have to take care about internal link. I will ignore it, and keyword in subheading, so I will ignore it too. We have to add image ALT attribute to image. So currently we don't have any image. In next video I will show you how to add images. So we have to add SEO title with. So SEO title should be SEO title link should be more than this. Okay, for do that I will copy the title. After that I scroll down, and in SEO tab there has Google preview, so I click on Google preview. After that I click on edit snippet. After that I remove this, then I paste my title manually. Then I need to add meta description, so I remove this part. After that I go up, and I will copy this part, first paragraph of my article. After that I will go back again, and I put that on meta description. So after that I need to fix this. I need to make it as green, like this. Make this line as green. So let's remove this one. Okay, business, company, blog, or any kind of same type of website. Great. Now we have great SEO title and meta description, so we are good. Okay, now our SEO tab is green and readability is green. Okay, it's so cool. And but we need to add image attribute. Don't care about those. Don't try to fix those red dots, because you will it will not work, and it's just time wasting. When you get green to this page, when you get green page on SEO, you are good to go. And when we go to readability, in readability currently I have everything in green. If you don't have it on green, do the same. When you if you don't have enough passive voice in your article, so this will be red. So when it be red, just click this eye icon. After that you will find the place where it only have passive voice in your article. So that way you will be able to add more passive voice to your article. So that is how you fix readability. I hope you understand it. But currently I add subheading and heading, so my readability is good. When you write article, this keyword length, keep this keyword, not keyword length, keep this one paragraph length like 300 words. After that separated by headers. When you do it, your readability will good. So now we have to take care about social, but in this video I am not going to show you on social. So in next video I will show you how to use social and why we use social. So this is our video. I hope you enjoy it. And currently we have our readability is good and SEO is good. So yeah, that is how you deal with SEO Yoast. SEO Yoast, and how you make your article SEO friendly using Yoast. Okay, I will see you in next video. If you like this video, feel free to like it, and if you want this kind of stuff, feel free to subscribe. I will see you in next video. Bye.